B2, B cold calling, killing 20 techniques and AI tools. AnyBiz. Ever wonder why cold calling is still a staple in B2B sales? In 2020, 69% of buyers accepted cold calls, proving its effectiveness in building profitable business connections that might not otherwise occur. B2B cold calling targets specific stakeholders in companies to establish connections or promote products, services. Unlike B2C cold calling, it focuses on relationship building rather than immediate sales. Research suggests it's effective for reaching senior executives and accounts for a significant portion of C-suite meetings in successful companies. B2. B cold calling, an effective lead generation tool allowing proactive outreach, quick response to inquiries, and personalized communication for stronger client relationships and business growth. B2B cold calling is effective for roles like account managers and sales reps in industries such as software technology, financial services, manufacturing, real estate, and consulting. It requires strong communication skills, resilience, and rapport-building abilities. Success rates vary based on sector and strategy, typically ranging between 2 and 3%. Despite the seemingly low rate, even a small success percentage can yield significant income due to the high-value nature of B2B transactions. Important metrics to track: conversion rate, response rate, call volume, contact rate, follow-up rate, average call duration, lead qualification rate. Top 20 AI-enhanced cold calling techniques. 1. AI-powered lead scoring. AI evaluates data to identify promising leads, improving sales focus and efficiency. Ideal for high-volume industries like tech and finance, 30% increase in conversion rates. 2. Personalized call scripts. AI creates dynamic call scripts based on lead data, enhancing personalization and engagement. Effective in healthcare and insurance. 50% shorter call times, 25% improved success rates. 3. Sentiment analysis. AI detects emotional cues in calls, helping reps adjust their approach. Useful in service industries like travel and hospitality. 40% increase in customer satisfaction. 4. Optimal call timing. AI identifies the best times to contact leads, boosting call success rates. Essential for international businesses and sectors like retail. 20% increase in successful contacts. 5. Dynamic call routing. Matches calls to best reps. 35% increase in first call resolutions. 6. Predictive dialing. Dials multiple numbers efficiently. 200 to 300% increase in productivity. 7. Voice recognition. Automates responses. 40% faster call processing. 8. Data enrichment. Enhances customer data. 9. Conversation. Analytics. Refines sales tactics. 20% better closing rates. 10. Automatic follow-up. Schedules follow-ups. 50% increase in repeat contacts. 11. Real-time coaching. Provides instant feedback. 25% boost in performance. 12. Multi-channel outreach. Coordinates across channels. 30% higher engagement. 13. Lead segmentation. Target specific groups. 40% better qualifying rates. 14. Predictive analytics. Forecasts client behavior. 20% sales boost. 15. CRM integration. Updates CRM data. 34% increase in sales. 16. Natural language processing. Understands human language. 50% faster handling times. 17. Behavior tracking. Monitors customer activity. 30% higher conversion rates. 18. Custom AI algorithms. Enhances sales strategies. 25% better results. 19. Automated reporting. Generates detailed reports. 40% less admin time. 20. AI-driven gamification. Boosts sales motivation. 50% more productivity. Cold calls are most effective between 8, 10 a.m. and 4, 5 p.m., avoiding lunch hours, 12, 2 p.m. Focus on Tuesday to Thursday for better results. Start your script with a strong opening, introduce yourself clearly, and ask engaging questions. Personalize by using the prospect's name and business details, and tailor benefits to their needs. Stay flexible and adapt based on their responses. AI transforms B2B cold calling with real-time adjustments, predictive analytics, and performance analysis, boosting efficiency and success rates. AnyBiz leverages AI for personalized, multi-channel outreach, streamlining communication and boosting campaign effectiveness. Key features include AI-driven sales agents, automated meeting scheduling, personalized messaging, and upcoming AI cold calling. AI-powered B2B cold calling is reshaping sales interactions. AnyBiz.io demonstrates how AI optimizes sales procedures, boosting outreach effectiveness and lead conversion. Embrace AI now to stay ahead in sales success and efficiency. Experience the transformation with AnyBiz.io today. Remember to make your mark before you leave. Hit like and subscribe to stay ahead of the game with our upcoming releases.